Hi guys, it's Dr. Rankin. I'm back here on a not bright, shiny, sunny Tuesday, but a rainy day, but nonetheless very, very beautiful spring day, not stopping me from being so excited for this video. We're going to do a fun little unboxing, and then we're going to talk about a little bit of product here. Our first box is going to be a CBD stick. So this is going to tie in with our low back pain because I know a lot of our wellness patients are not able to be seen regularly here with the Minnesota shutdown that's going to be going on for the next couple weeks. So we thought it would be nice to remind you of some things you can do at home to make sure that your pain levels are under control. And we're going to start with our first box here. I'm such a product junkie. I absolutely love opening boxes. It is just my jam. So I'll have to collect myself here as we go through and open everything up. Our first package here comes in a cute little box just like this. Super small, super simple. I think it got here the day after I ordered it. So our distributor is right here in Minnesota, about an hour away from here in a small town. Okay, and this is our CBD, so we'll take our packing slip out of here. We'll get some of our peanuts out. Get the junk out of here. And here we go. So this is our pain relief stick, maximum strength CBD clinic level 5. This comes in two forms: a jar, which is 44 grams, which many of our patients love. They purchase that. It lasts them probably between 2 and 3 months, or 3 to 4 if they're more of a wellness patient. If you're first starting out care, you might need a little bit more, but the reality of the situation is the quicker you use it up, obviously, the faster it's going to go. But this is a stick. So this is for a patient, so I won't completely open it up and take the plastic and the cellophane off here. But this is extremely popular. This retails for $80. They pack it up and they ship it right to your home, or we are a CBD clinic here. So if you're in pain but you're not able to be seen by a chiropractor, you prefer just to stay home and shelter in place, this comes in 5 different levels. So if you need to give us a call and ask us for a consultation on what you think might work best for you for your CBD, top pops off, you just rub it on any part of your body, whatever the muscle aches are. This is really good for extremities as well too. The patient I particularly purchased this for has knee pain, so he's going to be using it for knee. Most of my patients use it for back or neck pain, just traditionally in classic. So 5 different levels. This happens to be number 5. This is maximum strength, and also for athletes too. So this is perfect. This was actually sold out for weeks. I could not get my hands on it. I had to go ahead and buy the jar, which was a little bit more expensive, has a little bit more product, but this one is so handy. It fits really well in gym bags. My only disclaimer is if you want to take this with you in your gym bag, make sure it's in a discreet place or it's locked up in your gym locker, because these are a little bit spendy and they're extremely valuable, so you don't want your product to go missing should it be made just specifically for you. So another really good quality curbside pickup there. As far as if you needed me to place an order for you and bring in CBD just for you to make you pain-free or less pain and happy, I will certainly put on my gloves and take that right out to the curb for you. So we'll go ahead and set that portion down. Super excited. If that were not for a patient, I would totally open it up and have some fun with it, because it is an awesome, awesome product. Our second product is, we have not done an unboxing in so long. I remember how excited I was when we did our last Isogenics unboxing. It was so fun. I think I was just crying. I was smiling so much. So I think back at that particular time, which was back in December, I had ordered a new product that I hadn't tried yet. I think it was the Mango Peach, if I remember correctly, and then the Hydrate, which was in the orange flavor. So that blew very, very, very quickly. I also shared it with a couple patients. It was a big winner. People loved it. With 1 little scoop of the Hydrate, which is very hydrating, and also 24 grams of undenatured protein in that specific canister. This is the same thing. I don't even know which one I ordered in here. I don't know if this was my auto ship or if it was a new one, because it's been sitting on my counter for a while. One thing about being in quarantine, people eat too many carbs. It's easy to just pick up and eat chocolate, popcorn, crackers, and have this really, really juvenile collegiate diet. But if you need to refocus back on your health and not be losing your muscle atrophy, making sure you have a quality protein shake is a fantastic way to do it. And I have been using Isogenics for 4 years, 4 springs now, and it's absolutely wonderful. It's a really convenient, easy way to fit nutrition for dummies like me, nutrition for dummies, into your life. Put 2 scoops in your shaker. You add a little bit of additional product for hydrate if you need to with your water or your almond milk. That's a very, very good one. And this is exceptional for people if you did have a relapse and you are struggling and you're not ready to leave home or take your risks with breaking quarantine to be able to come to your chiropractic doctor, your favorite chiropractor, or if you're one of our followers here who I haven't seen. I do think about you guys a lot. It's not the same without you. This extra packaging stuff here. I'm going to make a fun mess. Messes are fun too. It's all right. On a rainy day. All right, so you get your packing slip in here. And this one is the birthday cake flavor. Oh my gosh, I got another birthday cake. So I loved this. I'm a fanatic about birthday and spring and spring babies and celebrating the whole thing. So this was super fun. And my birthday was actually a couple days after it was right around Easter and right after the Minnesota shelter-in-place had taken place. So there was going to be nobody going anywhere or doing anything. So there was going to be no cake. This was my birthday cake this year, as well as some additional cupcakes that I was giving. Some of them I ate, another one I saved because we're going to keep a precious, fun cupcake theme decoration going around in here. It's just good for laughs and grins and good for a psyche, obviously, as well. High quality, undenatured whey protein birthday cake flavor. This stuff is awesome. This will last you 3 weeks if you eat it every single day, once a day, maybe 30 days total if you skip a day. This one is definitely better with almond milk. So I don't use water when I make this one, and I don't put any other additives in there. And this actually does have little sprinkles in it. So the sprinkles that you can see on the packaging, they actually are full-size sprinkles, and they are inside your shake. If that's not something for you, don't purchase the birthday cake flavor. Get a regular fruit flavor. This, I believe, is a specialty one. I don't know how long this is going to be in stock with Isogenics, but there are many other wonderful flavors to pick from, and I know they do come out with launches seasonally that go along with the season to help celebrate or an anniversary or something that they're working on, and they try new things in their limited edition, and they come and go, keeping us all waiting for the next one. And this it says it contains milk ingredients, but what I love about this is that it's full of B vitamins, and this is a meal replacement. As a reminder for some of you, we haven't talked about Isogenics in some time. This is a really good go-to meal, and it's affordable. Okay, so it gets expensive to just eat carbs and candy and treats because it doesn't fill you up. This fills you up, especially if you're eating maybe 2 eggs with it or almond milk. You're going to be in really, really good shape. It's a good way to curb appetite and craving and also give you the energy that you need to get out and take a walk or ride your bike or do something that gets you away from the couch if you're sharing vascular supply with the couch. So enough about our products here, our unboxing. I think this has been awesome, so we're going to do a few of these for you guys and share some retail fun with you. With that, we're going to cut this portion short, and I'm going to meet you guys out on table number 2, my middle child, my second workhorse there, and we're going to continue with our low back pain education and also some practice announcements. See you soon.